the markets are what they are, the valuations are what they are. Today, just mapping the market, where do you think, what are the pockets where you think today if people buy, let's say in the next 2 weeks, we get some opportunity, market sells off some more. What are those pockets which you think will truly create wealth? If you take a really long-term view, can you buy some stocks now with a 10-year view where we have structural stories? Do you find anything interesting?
Yeah, so I'll tell you, see, markets are growing. Market in the last 45 years done about 13-14% compounded. Excluding dividend. Including dividend, it will be closer to 14-15%. So I don't see that trajectory changing. If anything, it might be a little better in local currency. So if you buy at 90% of the, whatever is the, say 25, 26, 25,000 is the base, this thing. If you buy 10% lower, your return in next 5 years goes up by 2.5% per year. If you buy 20% lower, your return goes up by 4.5-5% per annum. So so right now market is say 90% to the whatever 25,000 now. If it goes down by another 10%, you have a very good chance of making about 17 to 18% at index level for next 5 years. Absolutely non-stop. So that's the kind of opportunity this market is throwing. As the market is going down, your prospective return is going to go up. If by chance market goes half or 1/3, say half is too bad,
yeah.
But 1/3 what happened in COVID? The 12,000 came to 8,000. What happened? In next 5 years, you made compounding of 21-22% on index. And when index goes up by 21-22%, the high beta stocks or your portfolios, well-selected portfolio like that of Bhattacharya, that does 30-35%. That's the opportunity you're sitting on right now.
Right. One question on IT. First of all, I think you're going to Yes.
God is being really kind to us right now.
Right now? Define right now.
If you can't buy
Last
now,
2 weeks, they've not been kind.
If you can't buy now, don't bother about investing. Just get the hell out of the stock market.
Okay.
This is the opportunity of a lifetime. Money is made at turning points. If you had bought in 2008, in the last quarter of the year, you'd still be clapping your hands. If you had bought in 2020, you missed the beginning. You bought after 6 months, you'd still be clapping your hands. If you had bought in late 2000, when the bust took place, you would have seemed like Einstein's first cousin. So it's about recognizing that markets are mean reverting. And if you don't respect that idea, it's very tough to make money. That's when all the macro difficulty comes. You don't need to know all this macro wisdom to make money.
Right.
It's about character, fear, greed. And the funny thing is, you're always on the wrong end of the greed, on the spectrum.
Ramdev, is this that kind of a compelling market?
Yeah, so I have seen four declines. 92, the moment I started my career, Harsha Mehta bull run and then collapse. Y2K, then GFC in 2008, and then COVID recently. This is the 5th one. We are in the midst of it. Nobody knows the bottom.
Nobody knows the bottom.
Nobody knows the bottom.
But this valuation is still attractive to buy. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I'm saying that. If you're going away from that 25,000 to 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, lower the better. The corrected market for a compounded market is the best thing you can ever get. Now, how much correction? Who knows?
Right. But through the correction, stay invested and buy more. Is that what you're saying?
I can see value emerging. I can see value emerging across in large cap, mid caps, small caps.